Hello and welcome. My name's Jeff. I'm glad you're here. In this short video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of one possible formula solution to our formula challenge. So let's get our bearings. We want to write a formula that will populate the price column in the invoice. So here's the invoice. Here's the price column. We want to write a formula into the first cell and fill it down. So we want to be able to write a formula here and fill that same formula down. And it should retrieve the correct price for all shirt options in the invoice. So here we have shirt color, size. This color is here. The size is here. And there's a little matrix. And we want to pull the correct price. All right. So this is Excel. Excel has hundreds of functions. So there's many different possible solutions. This is just one possible solution. And I'm going to use the index and match functions to do this. Now, if you haven't used index before, what it's designed to do is to retrieve a cell value from a range. So first we're going to give it the range. So I'm going to ask the index function to return a cell value from this prices range. And I know I'm about to fill the formula down, so I need to lock this range in place. So I'm going to tap the F4 key on my keyboard to insert the dollar signs, or you could insert the dollar signs manually. And then I hit comma. Now we need to tell it which row and then which column has the value that we want to return to the cell. So the next argument is row num. So how do we know which row num? We're going to ask the match function to figure that out. So the match function will go find the shirt color, comma, in this range, and I need to lock that down as well, comma 0 for exact match. Okay. So the index function says, go get a cell value from somewhere within this range. Which row? The match function says this row. I'm going to match red and find which row that's on. And now we just need to determine the column. Again, we're just going to use another match function to do that. So we're going to ask the match function to go find the size, comma, in this header row, lock that down, comma, 0 for exact match, close the match function, close the index function. So before we hit enter, let's just review. I'm asking the index function to go return a cell value from somewhere within this range. Now I need to tell it which row and which column within the range. We're going to use the match function to do that. The match function is designed to return a relative position of a matching item. So we're going to ask it to go find which row has the word red, and it finds the row. And then we're going to ask the match function to identify which column has the word small. So it shoots over, returns the second value, and let's hit enter and see if it worked. Red small 9.99, red small 9.99. Now the moment of truth, let's fill it down and let's see if it works. Green large 880, green large 880. Look good. White small 7.95, white small 7.95, blue medium 9.90, blue medium 9.90. I think we got it. All right. So, hey, that is one possible solution to this formula challenge. Hey, thanks for joining me. Have a great day.
This video is a production of Excel University.